In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a store in Shopify. This is really useful if you're handing a store over to a client, changing business partners, or simply moving the main admin responsibilities to someone else. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can follow along confidently. First, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard using your usual login credentials. Once you're in, look toward the lower left-hand corner of the screen for the settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a new page with a menu on the left side. From that left panel, find and select the Users section. Depending on your version of Shopify, this might also be labeled as Users and Permissions or something similar, but the idea is the same. You're heading to the area where all account users are listed. On the Users page, you'll see a list of all the people who currently have access to your Shopify store. Look for your own account in this list, the one that is marked as the current store owner. Click on your profile to open your user details. This is where you can see information about your access and role within the store. Inside your profile, scroll until you find the section called Roles. This is usually presented as a card or a clearly labeled area. Here you'll see your role identified as the store owner. On the right side of this role, look for an icon with 3 horizontal dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on those 3 dots, and from the drop-down that appears, select View Store. This will take you to a page where you can manage store ownership. On this new page, look to the top right corner for a button labeled Change Ownership. Click that button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to enter the email address of the new store owner. Carefully type in the email of the person you're transferring the store to, and double-check that it's correct, since this is where Shopify will send ownership notifications. Once you've entered the new owner's email, click the Change Store Ownership button at the bottom right of the pop-up. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may see another pop-up asking you to enter a verification code from your Authenticator app. Open your app, find the code for your Shopify account, and type it in. After you submit the code, wait for the page to reload. When it finishes, the ownership transfer process is complete, and the new owner will receive an email to accept and finalize the transfer.